Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about something very real, something a little stressful and also a little exciting.
Oh, yes, I already feel nervous. Let me guess. English at the airport?
Exactly. English at the airport.
Airports are like a test. Not just travel, but also your English.
Yes, and today we will help you feel ready, calm, confident.
And maybe not lost.
Yeah, because honestly, many people feel scared at the airport, not because of flying, but because of speaking English.
Oh, wow, that's true. You stand there thinking, what if I don't understand?
Or, what if I say something wrong?
Or even worse, what if they ask me something and I just freeze?
If you've ever felt that, this episode is for you. Stay with us.
Okay, let me tell you something real.
Go ahead.
First time I went to an airport alone, I was smiling outside, but inside, panic. The staff asked me a simple question, window or aisle?
And?
I just said, yes.
Oh no.
Yeah, I didn't understand, and I didn't want to ask again.
That's so relatable.
And I think many listeners feel the same. You don't want to look bad, so you stay quiet.
But inside, you feel lost.
Exactly.
So here is the core idea today.
Tell us.
The airport is not a test. It's a conversation space.
I like that.
Think of it like this. Your English is not a perfect machine. It's like a bicycle.
Oh, interesting.
You don't need a perfect bicycle to move. You just need balance and courage to start.
So even if your English is not perfect, you can still go forward.
Exactly. Small words, simple sentences, but clear.
That already feels less scary.
Let's go step by step. First situation, check-in.
Ah, yes, the first challenge.
When you go to the counter, they usually say, "May I see your passport?"
Simple, but if you don't expect it, your brain goes blank.
Exactly. So prepare simple answers, like, "Here you go."
Short, easy, natural.
Then they might ask, "Do you have any luggage?" And you can say, "Yes, one bag," or "No, only this."
You don't need long sentences. That's important. People think they need big English, but no.
Simple English works.
Okay, next situation. Security.
Ah, yes, the serious faces.
Yes, everyone suddenly becomes quiet.
They may say, "Please take off your shoes."
Or put your phone in the tray.
If you don't understand, just say, "Sorry, can you repeat?"
That sentence is magic.
Yes, it shows confidence.
And it gives you time.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about finding your gate.
Oh, wow, that can be confusing.
Yes, big airport, many signs, many people.
And sometimes you feel like, where am I?
True.
So what do you say?
Simple. "Excuse me, where is gate 12?
That's it?
That's it.
I like this. Simple and direct.
Yes, and always start with "excuse me."
Polite and friendly.
Next, boarding the plane.
Ah, the final step before flying.
Staff may say, "Boarding pass, please." You give it, smile, done.
Sometimes they ask, where is your seat?
And you can say 12A. Short answers are okay.
I noticed something.
What?
Airport English is not about speaking a lot. It's about understanding and reacting.
That's a very important point.
Let's add a little story.
Go ahead.
A friend of mine, she was so scared. She practiced many sentences, very long ones. But at the airport, she forgot everything.
Oh no.
Then she just said simple things. Yes, no, sorry.
And?
Everything was fine.
That's powerful.
Sometimes simple is better than perfect.
Let me share something personal.
I'm listening.
First time I traveled, I also felt nervous.
You too?
Of course, I'm human.
Good to know.
I remember I didn't understand one question.
What did you do?
I smiled and said, Sorry, I'm still learning English.
Oh, that's honest.
Yes, and the staff became very kind.
Wow.
That moment changed me. I learned you don't need to hide.
That's deep.
Yes.
Let's be real for a moment.
Okay.
Many people feel embarrassed.
Yes.
They think, my English is not good.
Or people will judge me.
But the truth is,
People at the airport just want to help you move forward.
exactly, they're not there to test you.
They're there to do their job.
And your job is just to communicate.
Now, let's give some simple solutions.
Yes, practical tips.
Tip 1. Learn key sentences.
Like, where is? Can you repeat?
Exactly.
Tip 2, don't be afraid to ask.
Very important.
Tip 3, speak slowly.
Slow is clear.
Tip 4, smile.
A smile is universal.
Now, vocabulary time.
Let's go.
Passport, your travel document. Example, I show my passport.
2. Boarding pass, your flight ticket. I have my boarding pass.
Gate, where you enter the plane. My gate is 5.
4. Luggage, your bags. I have 1 luggage.
Security, safety check. I go through security.
5. Flight, your journey. My flight is at 10.
Delay, late. My flight is delayed.
8. Aisle, seat near the path.
9. Window, seat near the window.
10. Terminal, airport building. I am in Terminal 2. Before we finish, remember this.
Important moment.
Your English does not need to be perfect to take you places.
Wow.
It just needs to be brave.
I felt that.
So, here's a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
What is your biggest fear when speaking English at the airport?
Tell us in the comments.
And if this helped you,
Like, share, and subscribe.
keep practicing
Keep traveling.
and keep growing.
See you next time.
Goodbye.